Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl so that way you don't miss out any videos from me. I'm rocking my natural hair. I decided to just do a twist out. This is my first time doing a twist out, so yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. But yeah, I will just probably be rocking this for probably a couple days. Who knows? I don't know. I'm so indecisive. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this twist out, just please continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, so I already parted my hair into 4 sections. And I'm going to start it out by applying leave-in conditioner by Sauve, some coconut oil, and Eco Styler gel on each... I can never talk. On each section of my hair. And now I'm just gonna start to do the twist, the 2-strand twist. I'm gonna take 2 sections and I'm gonna twist them motherfuckers together. Y'all know how to do 2 strands. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. And at the end of each twist, I'm going to just twirl around the end of my hair, you know, just so no ends to be sticking out or looking crusty. But yeah, that's basically how it looks. And I'm going to be doing that all over my head. This is going to get kind of repetitive because that's just basically what it is. Alright, so I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys watch what I'm doing because there's no sense in me talking. And right here, I'm just spraying some more water on my hair because it was getting kind of dry. So I'm just spraying some more water and I'm combing it out. And I'm doing the same thing I did on the other side, leave-in conditioner, coconut oil, and the Eco Styler gel. The hill has eyes, the hill has eyes. I don't know why that song is like stuck in my head for some reason. Alright, so y'all, this is how the back is looking. Don't have to be straight at all. Only thing I wish I would have done the twist a little bit more bigger. So the curls could have came out a little bit more, you know, looser, bigger. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, this is basically just the last section of my hair. And guys, don't worry about the white film that's on my hair. That's just the conditioner. It'll dry in due time. Alright, so this is basically how the twists look. And I'm just going to throw my bonnet on and take my butt to sleep. And this is the next day, y'all. This is basically how it looks. This is how it looks dried. And I took some Eco Styler gel and I gelled my edges down. I didn't show that part though. And now I'm just gonna apply some coconut oils onto my hands, and I'm just gonna put the coconut oil onto my hair as I'm untying the twist. And you're basically gonna take the twist out by twisting the twist the opposite direction. Self-explanatory, but yeah. You want to be kind of careful. You don't want to disrupt the pattern of the curl. Right here, guys, as I'm taking down the twist, I'm also pulling apart the twists. I'm pulling apart the twist as well, just to make more, how would you say it, to make it look a bit more fuller by splitting the twist in like fours. Yo, I was really struggling right here. Gee. And alright, y'all, so that's basically how my twist out look once they're all out of the twist. And just me just playing around with it because I never can decide on how I want it to look. And right here I'm just taking my pick and I'm just giving it a little bit more volume. And I'm gonna also stretch my hair as well, just so it can look a little bit more bigger, like so. And yeah, y'all, that is the complete video. Yeah, y'all, so that's how I do my twist out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from it. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. And until next time, peace.
Now, losing control now. Fighting the truth, trying to hide, but I think it's on.